Introducing the space-saving wheeled walker by ADAPT, your ultimate travel companion. Lightweight and effortlessly portable, this walker redefines convenience on the move. Simply pull the handles apart, and you're ready to roll. With a sturdy design capable of supporting user weights of up to 100 kilograms and height adjustment. Ranging from 4 foot 10 inches to 6 feet 8, it accommodates a wide range of users.
Despite its robust build, it weighs a mere 3 kilograms, ensuring exceptional maneuverability and control. Whether stowed in a car boot, airplane locker, or alongside chairs or tables, it effortlessly fits into tight spaces. Folding down with the lift of a finger, this walker collapses to a fraction of the size of traditional models. From lengthy journeys to quick errands, this walker enhances every outing, ensuring you travel with ease and comfort.